Hi, my name is Chuck Roser. My company is Essence of Time. We are restoring this street clock. It was originally made by O.B. McClintock, and it's about 100 years old. So we decided to restore this with new technology and the existing old technology that wasn't so rusty that we couldn't use it. The doors are original. The frame is original. These Corinthians are original. So we saved everything that we could and we used everything we could. And of course they had about 10 coats of paint on them. So now they're stripped back to the original bronze that they were when they were made. So what we tried to use as much of the old parts and pieces as we could, and everything else is brand new.
I can't see these ones, Josh.
You got a half a twist in this one here. Same with the back, they're straight. All that back one just.